Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going to see the skills to become an Android developer. The skills which you need to obtain if you want to become an Android developer. So let's start. So building Android applications require a deep understanding of programming and design. So when approaching a new technology for the first time, it often helps to break it down into pieces. So if you are an experienced web developer, so many of the concepts and technologies involved in Android app development will be analogous to things you'll already know. Although building apps for mobile devices often requires a mastery of number of concepts. So mobile devices have smaller screens, simpler processors, and in the case of Android, many different manufacturers, meaning that developer need to keep code flexible and account for various user interface scenarios. So what does it take to become an Android developer? So some of the brightest developers in our community has answered these things which you need to know to become an Android developer. Come on, let's see what are all those essential skills which you need to know to become an Android developer. So first and the foremost thing is a programming language. So you can use a Kotlin or Java, most preferably Kotlin. And then the second one is you need to know about Android SDKs. So it's a software development kit. And then a design. So you need to know XML. And then fourth one is the Android Studio. So you need to know the tool which is used to develop the Android applications. And then the next things are the APIs, that's the application programming interface, and then databases to handle large amounts of data, and then the material design to develop interactive applications. Then we'll dive more deeper into these concepts. Let's see what are all these concepts are about. Then Kotlin. So Kotlin is a programming language. So it's a modern, concise and safe programming language. So it's very much easy to pick up. So we can create powerful applications immediately. And the next is the design. So XML was created as a standard way to encode data for internet-based mobile applications. So it's a structured markup language sharing many features in common with HTML. So in short, it allows information to be passed between the devices in a way that can be understood consistently. And then here comes the Android SDK. So SDK stands for Software Development Kit. So it's actually just a fancy name for a set of pre-packaged code. So the Android SDKs are modules of Java code that give developers the access to mobile devices functions like the camera. So the one key component of the Android SDK is a library that's called as a Gradle. Let's say that you want to integrate a social media platform like Facebook into your app, then you would download a code library, that is the SDK, from the Facebook, and then you will tell the Gradle that you are using it, so that when your application compiles your code, that stays well organized. And the next is the Android Studio. So the integrated development environment. So it's the IDE of choice for Android developers. That's called the Android Studio. So Android Studio is built on top of the well-respected IntelliJ IDE. And it comes with a great out-of-the-box support for many of the most common Android SDKs. So many of the features include like code completion helps make autocomplete suggestions as you type the code along with it. And then to identify the source of errors, etc. And the next is the APIs. So the Android platform provides a framework API that applications can use to interact with the underlying Android system. So the framework API consists of a core set of packages and the classes, a set of XML elements and attributes for declaring a manifest file, and then start building your Android app with the Android platform APIs that simplifies and accelerates UI development. And the next is the databases. If your app handles large amount of data, most of it probably won't live on your device at any given time. So instead, your app will likely interact with a database living outside of your phone. Cloud services like Firebase or Parse provide simple APIs to store data in the cloud and make it available across devices. So the material designs, though these are the design standards that includes tips for how to layer various elements on the screen and use specific styles like drop shadows. So you have probably seen material design in real life if you have used the new Google Drive app or the new Inbox by Google Gmail applications on mobile. So while not mandatory, Google recommends that Android developers use these guidelines as the foundation for their own user interfaces. And then that's all you need to know to become an Android developer. Okay, then keep learning and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, I wish you an awesome day. Bye bye.